Hello, today we will discuss about India-Bangladesh relation. For India, Bangladesh is a key partner in South Asia and in the Indo-Pacific region. Bangladesh is also an important part for India's Act East policy and India's neighborhood first policy. Even though there is a strategic significance and lot of areas of cooperation between countries, there are certain conflict that persist between two countries. So, in today's world, as China is increasing its influence in the Bangladesh, so there is a need for India to get closer with Bangladesh and to improve the relation with Bangladesh in order to counter China. Now we will discuss about recent areas of cooperation between India and Bangladesh. So the year 2021 marked the completion of 50 years of bilateral ties between India and Bangladesh. And in this Republic year of 2021 in India, Bangladesh Army has also participated. So as part of Swarnim Vijay Wars, that is completion of 50 years of bilateral ties between India and Bangladesh, so the Indian naval ships are scheduled to meet the port at Bangladesh in the future. And recently, the Indian naval ships has also made a trial run of cargo from Bangladesh to Agartala. So there is a Maitri project between India and Bangladesh, which was built on Feni River in Bangladesh. And 2-3 days ago, Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister of India, has inaugurated this Maitri bridge in order to improve relationship between India and Bangladesh. In December 2020, the rail link between India and Bangladesh was resumed after 55 years, and both countries are now trying to start bus service from Dhaka in Bangladesh to West Bengal. Now we'll discuss about the obstacle in the relationship between India and Bangladesh. The first one is government has brought CAA and NRC, and it has also done NRC in Assam and enacted CAA. So it has worried the Bangladesh. So it result in weakening ties between India and Bangladesh. Another is water dispute. So the Tista water dispute is taking lot of time to resolve. So it is matter of worry for both India and Bangladesh. Another is Chinese aspect. As Bangladesh is a key trading partner of China, and it is taking active role in the trade in the Belt and Road Initiative. And the thing is, India is not a part of Belt and Road Initiative. Another is in the security sector, Bangladesh is a major recipient of Chinese military inventory, that is military which contains submarine. And so as China is giving lot of loans to Bangladesh, and recently China has given $1 billion of loan to Bangladesh to improve or to restore the project of Tista River. So these are all the obstacles which is affecting the relationship between India and Bangladesh. So what is need here to improve the relationship? So there is a strong need to strengthen the relationship between India and Bangladesh, because as there is a shift in global geoeconomics, and India and Bangladesh share lot amount of border, so there is a need for India to improve relationship for border management and security. Another is there is need to resolve water dispute issue in a means there is in the less amount of time. That is because India and Bangladesh share 54 rivers that simultaneously flow in India and also in Bangladesh. So there is a need for this water dispute issue to gradually improve this to gradually resolve the issues of water dispute. And Tista River project is crucial in India's point of view, so there is need to resolve this issue as quickly as possible. Another is to so the India should now make a move to reduce the influence of China in Bangladesh, because as there is an ongoing conflict between India and China, both are driving their attention. Both are means driving their attention to Bangladesh. So as of now, China has given West card to Bangladesh by giving $1 billion USD of loan. So to reduce the influence of China in Bangladesh, India should also need to give certain assistance, because Bangladesh is in need of foreign assistance and certain funding. So it can take from China or from India. So India need to make the first move to assist, because it will help to reduce the Chinese influence in Bangladesh. And another measures that India can take, because there are certain areas at which India and Bangladesh can collaborate. This is in northeastern region, agriculture, and in agro sector. Both countries can collaborate, and the agriculture sector means it has potential to improve relationship between India and Bangladesh. Now the thing is that India should not think Bangladesh as like only for security management or only for border management, but it has also a strategic importance. So India should not ignore the Bangladesh, because if we ignore the Bangladesh, China will make road in the Bangladesh to increase its dominance, or China will make inroad in Bangladesh to increase its dominance and to counter India. Thank you.